Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss one of the simplest LeetCode problem, monotonic array. You will be given an integer array. Identify is it monotonic array or not. What is monotonic array here? If all the array elements are ordered completely in increasing order, ascending order, then it is said to be monotonic increasing array. Here is an example. In this array, all elements are in increasing order only. So this is a monotonic array. Similarly, if all the array elements are ordered completely in decreasing order, descending order, then it is said to be monotonic decreasing array. Here is an example. In this array, all the elements are in decreasing order only. So this array also said to be monotonic array. Let's look at this example array. There is no common pattern. Elements are random in nature, both increasing and decreasing order. So it is not a monotonic array. That's why the output is false here. Let's discuss the approach now. The approach is pretty simple and straightforward. Let's say these are our input arrays. We'll be declaring two Boolean variables, increasing and decreasing. Its initial value is true. Let's start with this array. We will iterate over this array and start comparing neighboring elements, which means we will compare first two elements in the first iteration. Since it is in increasing order, we will mark decreasing flag as false. We will perform this check in each iteration. If all the elements in the array are in increasing order, then increasing flag remains true and decreasing flag remains false only. Once all iterations are done, if one of these two flags are true, then we'll consider this array as monotonic array, return true. Now let's consider this array. I'll reset these flag values with true. Same approach here. If we compare first two elements, they are in decreasing order. So we'll mark increasing flag as false. We will perform this check in each iteration. If all the elements are in decreasing order, then decreasing flag remains true and increasing flag remains false. Since one of these flags are true, we will consider this array also as monotonic array, return true. Now let's consider this array. Here these two numbers are in increasing order. So we'll mark decreasing flag as false. Here these two elements are in decreasing order. So we'll mark increasing flag as false. Since both flags are false, this is not a monotonic array. Let's return false here. It's pretty simple logic. Hope you understood. Let's write code now. I have already copied method signature from LeetCode as it is. Let's declare Boolean variables. As discussed, the flag initial values are true. Now let's iterate over the array. In order to avoid array boundary condition while comparing neighbors, we are iterating till array length -1. Now let's check is it increasing order or not. If so, mark decreasing flag as false. Similarly, let's check is it decreasing order or not. If so, mark increasing flag as false. I'll copy this line. Finally, return true if any one of the flag is true. We are done with coding. Let's test our code. I have already written main method to save some time. Here we are making a call to isMonotonic function by passing multiple array inputs. Let's run. Here is the output, which is as expected. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.